Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use Global Directory Scraper. To use Global Directory Scraper, first switch the country according to your city. After selecting the country, simply type your keywords. Type city name. Then select any directory portal. Click on Add button to add your keyword and city in query list. Then start the process. In few minutes your data will start appearing. You can check it in below data table. Now you will see in this data some entries are duplicates. To remove this duplicate entries based on company name and phone numbers, simply click on Remove Duplicates button. Now if you want to extract websites, email addresses and also phone numbers, then simply click the Deep Extractor button. It will try to find these details from other sources. Once the process done, your additional data will updates in the data table. You can easily download the results or export them to Google Drive. Thank you for watching.